light and focus. Welcome internet, welcome YouTube, welcome anyone who got here. This is a quick intro to this video, which is me, my name is Andrew, and my girlfriend getting a house in the Netherlands for 340,000. Maybe you're curious what that gets you in 2025. This video will be for you. We will be renovating the whole house because it's from 1950s, never been taken care of properly. I've already recorded some clips here and there, so those will probably come straight after this because you'll see us moving some stuff in there, starting the renovation work. But I realized I haven't recorded an intro, so this is it. Hello. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you later. So we just did a thing, we just bought a house, but first we need to go change into something that we can work in. So, see you then. Ale będzie fajnie, jak światło się pojawi.
Jak się pojawi.
Chodź. Następnym razem jak tu wrócimy, będzie jasno. Idziemy palić korek. Uwaga, uwaga. Światło! To nie te. Czyżby to te?
Ja!
No dobra, to idziemy obchód. Oh, that's so bright. Wait a second. Holy shit. Yeah, oh. Hi. Dobra. Some exposure. Ogólnie to trochę taki urbex w tym momencie.
Okay.
Oh, that's creepy.
Oh, that's very creepy.
Patrz jak to wygląda. No dobra, zaraz tu też zrobimy światło. Te fantastyczne pomieszczenie, które wygląda jakby to był asylum. W ogóle to muszę naprawić, boję się, że ktoś zaraz w to wpadnie. Niestety trochę... Aha. To ty poczekaj sobie w świetle. Hello to my haunted house. So yeah, this is the place we got. Quite cozy. Hopefully no one's living on the roof anywhere. Yeah, cozy. Okay. Okie, okie.
Okej, teraz tak.
Ja, tam jest lista. Nie no dobra, zróbmy tu 3 światła, bo jednak żeby sprzątać i tak dalej, to jest ciemno. Także możemy tu. The shitter has a light.
Co ja widzę? Nie widzę. O, widzę.
No. Everything you just saw is the walkthrough of the house that shows you what 340,000 gets you in the Netherlands. Obviously, it's a fixer-upper, but the overall structure and everything is perfect. So, it needs some love, some TLC, but we'll get there.